Okay. Many of us during this coronavirus pandemic have been buying masks or trying to make their own masks, or putting their shirts over their faces when they go into restaurants and the local stores and places. So, I made one out of a Koozie, or it's a cup holder, all right? This one's getting kind of dirty now. And it was from a trade show I went to. And it's pretty simple. Just cut the back, and the material is very thick. And I'm using these little shoelace thingies that I use on my shoes. Can you see? Here it is. Oh, I can't lift that quite up so much. But it's like this. They're these, okay? And they're relatively inexpensive. So here I have another one from this is from a restaurant. And I'm going to kind of see what I can do. First thing I do is I cut the back. Just a pair of scissors. Someone told me I should do a patent on this. Well, I don't think it deserves a patent. Patent pending, maybe. But cut the back. What's nice about this material, it's very thick. So if someone coughing on you and things, I think this material is also pretty awesome too. So it happens to be, ironically, there's that little hole in the bottom. So what I take, and that may not make it perfect, but I take a stapler and I staple it in here. Let me take it and I'll do this thing. How do I do this? I stapled it from the inside? I think I stapled it from the inside maybe that time. So I staple it from the inside, hold it. So I just kind of hold it from the inside. However you can do it. If I got staples in there. Okay, I got staples. All right. So then, kind of push that out. Little happy face. I can't see it. Okay, then the next thing is you got to make the holes. Okay. So you might be able to make, and you got to kind of figure out where the holes are going to be. You can use your scissors. Some other sort of protruding device. This is kind of takes a little time to get it right. You want to kind of line it up so you have them. And then just kind of stick the curly shoelaces that are great actually for your tennis shoes because they're very comfortable. And well, this one only needs one. So which one do I go? Oh, from the outside in? The outside in, outside. It's not very easy to see this what I'm doing, but the concept is very simple. But what's nice about this is, put it over my head, is it's very comfortable to wear. And they look okay. And unlike the ones that strap around your ears, it's very convenient. And you can breathe, which may be what you're not supposed to do because there's a little air in here. So most of these masks are meant to cover if people are going to cough on you and spit on you and exhale on you and bring that COVID virus that encapsulated with some kind of protein and bacteria and water. And they like to travel in droplets of water. So the droplets of water will penetrate you. But at the same time, you can also breathe because everybody needs to breathe, and that's one of the problems with these things. People wear these masks and they can't breathe. So that's pretty much what it is, and it fits nicely down here. So these are the Milagro COVID masks. And you could make them. You might want to maybe put another staple in here so that doesn't come out. But I don't find that it comes out too often. Once you tie it around, you can also make a little tie on it so that it's do it double so that they don't come out. And like that one. And it's very convenient. It's nice, it stretches, it's comfortable,